Here's a simple, step-by-step guide to setting up NordVPN on iPhone and Android, perfect for users in the Middle East, example Saudi Arabia, UAE, who want to secure their connection and access global content like streaming apps safely. How to set up NordVPN on iPhone, iOS. 1. Download the NordVPN app. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Search for NordVPN and tap download/install. Note: in countries with VPN restrictions, the app might not appear. If so, consider changing your App Store region or downloading the app via an alternate Apple ID before arriving. 2. Open and log in. Launch the NordVPN app. Tap Login, or sign up if you don't have an account yet. Enter your NordVPN credentials. 3. Allow VPN configurations. iOS will ask to add a VPN configuration to your phone. Tap Allow and install. This lets NordVPN create secure settings on your device. 4. Connect to a VPN server. Tap Quick Connect for the fastest server, or choose a country from the list, example US for Netflix, UAE for region-specific services. Tap a server to connect. Status will change to connected. 5. Optional settings. Auto Connect * connects VPN automatically on Wi-Fi. Local network discovery * allows LAN devices, like printers, to be visible if disabled. Protocols * iOS uses IKF2/IPsec by default. You can adjust manually if needed. Manual connection, alternative: if the app is blocked, you can configure IKF2 manually. 1. Download the NordVPN IKF2 certificate via Safari. 2. Open settings, rightward arrow, profile downloaded. 3. Install and trust the profile. 4. NordVPN will show under VPN settings. How to set up NordVPN on Android. 1. Install the NordVPN app. Open Google Play Store. Search for NordVPN and install it. Tap Open after installation. 2. Login or sign up. Tap Login if you already have a NordVPN account, or sign up to create one. You may be redirected to your browser to complete login or subscription. 3. Connect to a VPN server. Tap Secure My Connection for a quick connect. Or scroll the country list or use the search bar to pick a specific country or city server. Tap a location to start the VPN connection. 4. Explore settings. Auto Connect * turn this on to auto connect on unsecured networks. Protocol switch * you can switch between Nord links, OpenVPN, UDP/TCP, depending on needs. Threat protection * block ads and trackers, optional. Manual/alternate setup, advanced. If you can't install from Play Store, or want a custom profile, download the OpenVPN Connect app from the Play Store. Download NordVPN.openconfig files from your Nord account. Import them in OpenVPN Connect and enter your Nord service credentials. This manual method is more advanced but useful where direct app installs fail. Tips for Arab region users, Saudi Arabia and UAE, app access restrictions in some Middle Eastern countries. Direct access to VPN apps or Nord's website might be blocked. Try downloading the app before arriving or use alternate App Store accounts. Choose nearby servers for faster speeds in Saudi Arabia and UAE. Select servers in the UAE, Turkey, or Middle East adjacent Europe. This helps keep latency low. General best practice: Auto Connect networks. Turn on Auto Connect so the VPN automatically secures your phone on unknown Wi-Fi hotspots. Useful if you move between networks often. Troubleshooting: if an app won't connect, toggle the VPN off and on again. Switch protocols, NordLinks rightward arrow OpenVPN, or reconnect to a different server. NordVPN support can assist with manual config files for restricted regions.